Duolingo, the world-famous language learning app, was founded by Luis von Ahn and Severin Hacker. The team consists of approximately 830 employees with their stated mission being to make the best education available globally and ensure that everyone has access to it. Behind the seemingly simple platform underlies complex implementation of data analytics, AI, art, animation, and design that create engaging learning experiences in order to reach learners regardless of their resources or location. What's more, efforts have been underway to expand beyond just language learning. Duolingo's mobile learning platform offers courses in over 40 languages to more than 100 million monthly active users worldwide. They primarily rely on word-of-mouth marketing and brand buzz for organic growth, with millions of learners completing over 1 billion exercises daily. This data fuels their continuous improvement in teaching methods using high-volume A/B testing and AI. The freemium business model enables significant user scale, allowing anyone to access their content without payment, while paid subscribers enjoy an ad-free experience and additional features. Duolingo's growth is driven by two mutually reinforcing flywheels: the learning flywheel and investment flywheel. The learning flywheel relies on scale to improve engagement and efficacy through data analytics, resulting in more users telling their friends about Duolingo. The investment flywheel focuses on product innovation and data analytics, increasing user engagement as more learners convert into paid subscribers. Additionally, they offer the Duolingo English test for accessible and rigorous English proficiency testing. Duolingo aims to diversify its platform beyond language learning by offering courses in various subjects using their gamified approach to education, starting with math and music courses. The learning experience is meant to be fun and engaging, resembling more of a mobile game than an educational product. It offers bite-sized lessons and gamification features to keep learners motivated daily. Its effectiveness comes from expert-designed courses across languages, math, and music, with AI technologies powering personalization for better learning outcomes. The platform is free to access, making it accessible and encouraging continuous learning without barriers. The Duolingo method consists of 5 principles for effective and engaging learning experiences. 1. Learn by doing. Interactive exercises allow learners to immediately apply their knowledge. 2. Personalized learning. AI models adapt lessons based on individual strengths and weaknesses. 3. Focusing on what matters. Curricula are informed by national and international standards, with input from experts in each field of knowledge. 4. Staying motivated. Bite-sized lessons and gamification elements encourage long-term study habits. 5. Delightful learning experiences. Cheerful characters, humorous content, and supportive messages make learning more memorable. Duolingo's technology platform utilizes AI, machine learning, and data analytics, along with continuous A/B testing to enhance their unique language learning experience. Their large data moat allows for personalized instruction, powered by novel AI models in natural language processing and cognitive science. The company also emphasizes robust testing frameworks and advanced data analytics capabilities to optimize the learning experience while taking into account privacy standards. In addition to the language learning app, they also provide subscription options such as Super Duolingo, Duolingo Max, with additional AI-powered features, and the Duolingo English test for English proficiency assessment. Educational settings are catered to through Duolingo for schools and young children with their app, Duolingo ABC. Duolingo has been growing its learner community organically through word of mouth for almost a decade. To supplement this model, they have invested in marketing, focusing on brand building, owned media marketing, paid acquisition, and geographic expansion. Their strategy aims to increase awareness of Duolingo globally, while engaging their existing users and driving new learner growth. When looking at industry trends, they believe the following market trends will contribute to the continued success of their platform. First, AI will increasingly shape online learning. Rapid advances in generative AI, particularly large language models, LLMs, will change how people use technology to learn. This trend will continue to accelerate, and that it will offer an almost unimaginable set of opportunities for companies at the nexus of technology and education to teach at scale. Second, online learners seek engaging, mobile-first experiences. Consumers are increasingly accustomed to the highly engaging design of social media apps and mobile games. So it's only natural that consumers turning to online learning will not only prefer the convenience and control that mobile apps provide, but also expect experiences to be highly engaging. Third, adoption of subscription models is growing globally. Rising adoption of subscription models across the globe is further enabling the shift towards mobile experiences. That's why it's believed that as subscriptions increase in popularity across categories, consumers will also gravitate towards subscription models in online learning. Then, in order to address competition from sources like other online language learning platforms, offline language learning methods, assessment providers, literacy platforms, and math and music learning products. Duolingo states it depends on factors like internet access growth, maintaining brand reputation, protecting intellectual property rights, scaling user base, introducing new features, and developing new monetization strategies. For more on Duolingo and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.